Clay, what are you doing?
I'm playing playground.
What? What is the name of the game?
Minecraft.
Minecraft. Ikaw ate, ano ginagawa mo naman?
Watching.
Watching? And me? Walang ligo. Wala pang ligo. Mga alas 2. Ay, anong date? What date today? What date?
25.
January 25.
Why she's... Look! Look!
January 25.
Look, it's not
2025. Ha? What happened, Clay?
Of this one, oh!
Maybe you need to, to buy. Maybe you need to buy. Oh, I cannot click ito, but maybe you need to buy pa. You don't have, you don't have money pa. You make some mission muna siguro. Ano ba yan?
Oh!
Okay na?
Naka-internet ka kasi.
So, ano dapat?
Offline siya.
Manonood muna siya, gano'n?
Hindi ka lang, hindi. Balik kasi ginagawa mo kahit add kasi play.
You have many, what you call this?
Ads.
Ads and games na da-download dyan.
Said no siya, Missy.
Okay, sorry po.
Look,
Saturday.
It's a aquarium.
Yes, yes, aquarium. Mamaya kapag magdala kami. Ayan o. Magdala.
Gusto ko ulit sa akin.
Maganda sana yung mag-bike.
Punta tayo sa ulit. Punta ulit tayo kung saan tayo nag-ano.
Hindi yung basta-basta. Hindi yung basta-basta makapunta doon. We need money. Anong oras kayo naman ng gamot?
2. Sa
Two.
Dysodrine.
Dysodrine. Tapos yung sa ubo.
Not me.
It's not you because you have no sakit. It's ate lang. Have ubo and sipon. Anong oras sa ubo?
3.
3? So say bye-bye guys.
Bye guys. Hello po.
Spell Clay Sebastian. Clay muna, Clay.
K-L-A-Y.
Sebastian.
B-A-S-T-I-A-N. T-O-L-E-N-E.
NT. T.
N-T-I-A-O.
I-N-N-O. Okay. Good job. Kiss me. Mwah. Aran yung sleeper mo. Baba. Ano si Clay?